Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I hope you guys are doing absolutely great. Today I'll be talking about how can we replace battery of your car key. So this procedure will be same for most of the cars. So let's get started. So here is my car key, and if you can see, in order to open this, we need to press from here and here, and it will open up. We need to push it from here, so you can use a flat screwdriver, or you can push it via hand. So let me open it and we'll show you. I have opened this. As you can see, from here and here, you just need to push upwards and it will open easily. If it is tight, then you need to press a bit harder, but it is easy. You can do that. And this is the battery that comes with the key from the factory, and I ordered the same battery from Amazon. It comes in pack of 2, 5, multiple options. So this is the battery, and for pack of 5 it took around 200 rupees. So it is handy. So we can remove the battery from here and replace with new one, and we can close the flap and press it like this. See, it has been closed perfectly, and yeah, that was it. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.